buddy. Whoa, buddy, what are you doing? That's not what I meant. This is the dumbest thing I've ever seen, hands down, that you've ever done. Ryan's Tech Tips, show's canceled.
Right, it's working.
Cut, we're done. That's it. Got Ryan unloading the bikes. I didn't ride with him today. He's gonna do the pit bike race or no?
Might.
Bankus
think about it.
Bankus and Arcadia are.
Really?
Coming at 3, yeah.
Yeah, I'm thinking about
But what's up, YouTube? Today we're out at Palmyra, Hogback Hill, getting some, it's just open practice right now. And yeah, I'll update you guys once we get everything unloaded and get geared up. Dom, that's a sick helmet, dude.
Yeah, thanks.
That's
I'm gonna
sick.
pop some wheelies.
What are you doing?
We're going to, yeah, cut.
Alright, we're going out for first practice. I'll have Peyton behind the camera since he's going in AMP today. And yeah, should be fun. We'll get a little comparison on the KX versus YZ, like side by side, what's better. That's probably the title, KX versus YZ 125. Whatever, you know what I'm saying.
Easy! You're gonna break it!
Oh, yeah. Track's mint, not even muddy. So prime right now. What do you think of the track?
It's actually sick.
Track was actually really good.
Yeah.
It'll be good the second practice when there's actually some lines and ruts and stuff, but no, that one section in the back was mud, I skipped it. It was literally a mud pit. Everybody was going around it. But yeah, track is mint for the most part. 98% mint.
It's definitely.
Yeah. Arm pump city right now. I can't even, such a girl, I can't even hold on to the damn bike. Tensing up, even after using that forearm strong. I don't know if that thing works. Unless I do it like way before. But otherwise, I still got arm pump. Maybe I'm not doing it right. Maybe I'm not using the thing right. Because... You good though? You good? Dom, when did you switch to a red helmet now, dude? What, you got different half helmets? Yeah. Oh man, the good old days, you know. All right, so we're just hanging out. I missed the pit bike race. Arcady put on the GoPro, but as the clip you just saw, I guess I would have already played it. I think the car going out of space. Relaxing. I only got some GoPro clips. I think Bailey got like maybe 1 or 2 clips of me and Ryan. And then I think I just couldn't get anybody out there to ride, and it was just enjoying the day. It's super nice outside. Finally got like a really, really nice day to ride. Hey, GoPro, so for the people that like GoPro, this is the video for you. But we're gonna hang out, I'm gonna go home, wash the bike. Might go ride somewhere tomorrow depending on the weather, if it rains or not. But yeah, super fun day like I said. I didn't actually get the YZ versus 125. If I had somebody to film, it didn't really work out because Ryan wanted to. He mainly rode his 250F. I don't even think he touches 125, so I'll probably have that. We'll probably do it sometime this week, some private track or whatnot, so we can kind of really go through and ride each one back to back and not have to worry about like what practice is going out, what practice is out there, and getting on and off the track. But yeah, like I said, this week sometime, definitely that video should be up. Alright, so I just got home. I'm gonna get the bike and stuff unloaded, get it all washed up probably now, and so I don't have to do it tomorrow because it might rain tomorrow. Got to even mention the clip I put, the iPhone clip. That's why there were like bars or whatever from Snapchat. Blake only got it on his Snapchat, not on the vlog camera. But Jagger went for that triple. The extras weren't even going for the triple. Jagger decided he wanted to go for the triple to try to make this thing, and obviously he cased the crap out of it and ate it right after. I don't know if the clip got him crashing after, but regardless, I put that clip in there, and he's alright. He was right the rest of the day. But I'm going to wrap the video up here. If you guys enjoyed it, definitely hit that subscribe button down below. Give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one.